Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about how to write your itinerary. Rule number one, and that's the most important rule. It's not a race. Sometimes we just get carried away riding our motorbike. But that's not what you want to do is when you're on a long trip. Taking your time is absolutely essential. Otherwise, you just burn out in no time. We all like to get quick to our destination. So what I do is the first 1 or 2 days, I really eat the miles. And after that, I take it easy. It's not uncommon for me to ride 1,000 or 1,200 K if the roads are okay. Rule number 2, your itinerary is not written in stone. Deviate from your route, deviate from your timetable. Just take it easy. It's your trip, you can do whatever you want. There's one thing you have to remember. Don't book your hotels or your campsites too far in advance, or you get really under time pressure. That's the one thing you do not want to do on your trip. If you want to meet people on the route, just make sure that you plan enough time, because if you get in a hurry, you make mistakes. Rule number 3, allow enough time to visit landmarks, museums, or other locations. You're not in a race. Take your time and enjoy it, because that's what your trip is all about. It's no good to rush from one point to the next. You can do that at home. Rule number 4, have a day off. If you plan your trip, make sure after a long ride you count in a couple of days where you just relax. You look after your bike, you maintain your gear, you look after yourself, you buy provisions, you sort out your videos, you sort out the photos, and you relax and take it all in. Having an off day on a long trip is just absolutely marvelous. Number 5, stay in touch and don't fall off the radar. It is easy done. You get that excited on your trip and you forgot to phone or text or email your loved ones. Stay in touch via mobile phone, over social media, so they all know where you are, just in case something happened. Don't forget, it may be not happening to you, but it maybe happens at home. So always be available. And the most important thing, do not under no circumstances forget to tell everyone when you deviate from your route, because otherwise they never know where to search. Rule number 6, make a list of campsites, hotels, garages and dealerships along the way. If you have any technical issues, you may need a place where you can retrieve to. Also make sure that you in your list have everything about any illnesses or injury or medication you have to take. So don't forget to put that in your itinerary. It's very important, just in case you're involved in an accident. It also helps if you write it down in English and in your native language. Number 7, make sure you duplicate all your important documents and keep them in a safe place, just in case something gets lost. Number 8, look after yourself. Eat well, drink well, sleep well. Make sure you have enough rest, make sure you eat well, and make sure you drink enough water. As a motorbike rider, especially on long trips, you take about 3 times more water than the average person. So don't get dehydrated and make sure you drink enough. Number 9, respect the religion, respect the culture, and don't be a jerk. That's all I have to say about it. Number 10, and the most important rule, enjoy the moment, enjoy the trip, enjoy the challenges and enjoy the mishaps. It's your story you're writing here. Enjoy every minute. Please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click the bell icon below. Leave a comment in the comment section. And I see you soon. Until then, ride safe.